All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. It's a beautiful Sunday out here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And today, we're gonna be taking a look at these model homes here by Woodside Homes, located out here in that Sunstone master plan community. The next exit right off of Sky Canyon. Now, real quick, we have about 160 something homes. This is a gated community. The name of this community here is called Luna, right? So we just we did this one as far as home tour. So check these out if you guys haven't had the chance. This is the biggest one. I think it's about 2,600 square feet, and that one right there is roughly 2,300 square feet. So today we're going to be focused on this bad boy right here. This right here is the Plan 3, and it is 1,924 square feet. Features a 2-story home, 3 to 4 bedroom option, 3 bath, does have a loft cover patio, and a 2-car garage. So we're going to take a look at this thing together. We're going to see exactly what's going on right here. Typically a garage would go there, so keep that in mind. All right, let's go inside. Let's take a look. It is getting hot out here in Las Vegas, and I'm gonna walk right over this. Bam, just like that, like an athlete. All right, as we come down this side, one thing already I don't like about this, I prefer to have the door up in the front. As far as for safety purposes, I feel like somebody could be hiding here. Doesn't mean this is a bad thing. These are just things that I do take a look at. Now, right above here, I love the fact that they have a controlled joint right here. I think a lot of builders need to start doing this more, especially on the outside of the exterior of the home, because the stucco crack happens all the time. Looks like we have a camera for the doorbell here, which is nice. Then, right above here, once you start to see this, this tells me a couple things. Washer and dryer is right above there. Now, I have not gone to the second floor, but we're going to double check that to make sure that is accurate. We have a rekey here. Now, this is going to be more of a smaller footprint because this is going to be more for a starter home. Oh, I want to go back to the price. We didn't talk about the price, folks. So there's 4 different elevations. Elevation A starts off at $434,490. Not too sure where they got the $490. Now on this one, I believe there's a bedroom downstairs as well. So let's take a look at this. The feature wall here, basically they have the orange peel texture. You guys know about orange peel. You don't really have to float the walls that well. You can really hide the blemishes with the orange peel. But I love what they did with the 1/2-inch trim here, and they made a nice feature wall that is so simple to do. You got distribute sounds, which is an upgrade. There's a lot of can lighting in here that's an upgrade too as well. You have 12 by 24 on the tile. As you can see, these are 3/8, and a couple of things, they are not sealed. I could just tell by the discoloration in the grout. Now, when it comes to the grout, okay, you can actually take the grout and you want to make sure it is high as possible, so that way if you take a look from a distance, it looks like it's all one piece. If you go to a darker grout, then the tile is going to pop more. Typically when you do tile, you want to get the grout naturally close as possible to the color of your tile, because at the end of the day, what you want to do is kind of like take a look down your tile, and it should just blend in all at one piece. Okay, now as you can see by looking down the tile, right, some of these tiles are actually higher than others. Now also you have to keep in mind, this is not a custom home build, so it's not going to be perfect, but also this is something that you have to take in consideration. And also look down the baseboards too as well. Some of the baseboards here, as you can see, they're not as straight edge as possible. Some of this stuff could be sanded down, right, and straightened up. However, it just comes down to how picky you want to be during your NHO, which is your new home orientation. So that being said, let's walk down this way. So we have a room down here. Not bad. Definitely a lot of sun coming on here. So one thing I've noticed here, the glass is not that hot, but I still can feel the heat coming through. Okay, so by touching the glass, this tells me actually it works. Also, with these type of glass, you really have to watch out because you have this gasket, and these gaskets tend to break pretty easy. Okay, then you're gonna get some condensation on here. Make sure to check the manufacturer for the windows too as well, because the warranty is not through the builder, it's through the manufacturer, but the builder will come out here and exchange it out. However, do not add tint to it, right? If you do that, you'll actually void the warranty on the glass. You got 6/8 on the door, standard some trims here. Transfer duct. This one is not too exciting for me. I'm gonna be honest with you. So this bathroom right here, 3/4, not bad. I do love the sliding glass. Now some of these, you need to make sure. I did a deal once where they put this thing backwards, right? So you always have to check that. The Pro Flow toilet is very low on this one. High cabinets, standard white shaker cabinets. I feel like this is starting to get so outdated. And for all you luxury flippers out there, stop using those white shaker cabinets because, I mean, it just looks starting to look generic. Alright, so I do like the fact that we have this additional area for the kitchen. It kind of makes it looks like a larger kitchen than what it really appears. So I do like that. You have the 2 recessed lighting right above, but I feel like they are staggered too far. That's probably because of the stud. I would probably want to bring this in a little bit more. Okay. You have a 2-inch front face on the quartz countertops. You got some brown veining going on, which is not bad. Okay. Let's inspect some of the toe kicks here. So typical on these toe kicks, that's where a lot of builders will miss a lot of stuff. It's not the builders, it's actually the trades, okay? Soft closing cabinets. We got the dovetails here. Love that backsplash. 42-inch upper cabinets. We got with some LED lights. GE packaged appliances. Refrigerator. Off balance. Keep this in mind. Okay. You can just see it's already off balance. You can make the adjustments from the bottom. Screw it up, screw it down, brings it up and down. Reason why you need to get this thing leveled is because you got a condenser in here. Okay. It's not working as efficient. Okay. Than it should. Here we're gonna have our 2-car garage. 22 depth. So this is a very large garage. Alarm panel right here. Perfect. Now, oh, did you guys hear that? Oh, excuse me. It's so embarrassing. I just farted. And I try to do it very silently, but it just came out abruptly loud. And I know you guys are probably cracking up right now because it is kind of funny. But, you know, I'm just that kind of dude. Okay, so let's take a look. We have undermounted sink. Okay. This is a stainless steel, very small sink. Very small. Like this basin sink right here, you got to get rid of this because this is just way too small. So looks like we're dealing with Delta. This is a manufacturer that's contracted with Woodside Homes. I don't know if I mentioned HOAs are $100 a month, and that also includes the master plan community. You got an 8-foot slider. These sliders right here are not your best sliders, okay? Looks like your backyard, your depth is about 21 feet. We have the balcony, you got the water spigot here, and also your gas stub. You got the York air conditioning unit. Let's see how many condensers we have. These are probably about 14 series, so this is only one. So let's see if we have a dual zone. We're gonna shut this door here, and we're gonna make our way upstairs. Let's see what we have. It's about 1 o'clock, 1:15 on a Sunday. Wow, this is a small loft. You know what's so crazy? And they're trying to make this thing bigger than it really appears to be by having a TV stand that's kid size, small TV. I mean, this is kind of comical if you look at this, right? Definitely did the banister. I mean, look at this. This is like so cute. Interesting. Okay, so here's another room. Pretty decent size. So this would be your linen closet. I wonder why they built this linen closet out. I mean, you already have closet here. I don't know what's on this side, but let's see if we could push this thing back here. Maybe it's more of a structural thing, huh? Because look, you got a linen closet here. Yeah, see, look. Oh, because that would have just been dead space. Countertops is all the same. Matches in the kitchen. Definitely like the cladding here. Pretty cool. Very dark. Definitely need to add more lighting in here. And that's a bummer that they don't let you put a window up here to kind of bring some more lighting in. Oh, small closet. Laundry closet is too small. You got a double stack here. I don't know. Not feeling that. Not for me. So we got the primary. Wow, this jazz music is putting me to sleep. We got a second thermostat, so this is a dual zone here. We have the spa-like shower, this is a pretty decent shower. I'm actually kind of liking the shower here. Really nice. We got a 3/8 on the glass here. You just tell the thickness. So this is more of a sturdy glass. Now on our 26 model, the video home tour, it was a 1/4-inch glass, and you can see how flimsy that is. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, go ahead and check out that video of that floor plan, and you can see how thin and flimsy that is. Toilet, linen closet. Okay. And here's your walk-in closet. Interesting. You have a 6'8" on the height of this slider. 8 feet wide though. Look at the mountain views here. Gorgeous, huh? We're gonna have to go check out that community, the Arch by Lennar. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Also, buyers here are spending about anywhere from 8 to 12% of the base price, which is not that bad. I mean, you can get into a brand new home here for like five, you know, the low 500 and some change, and that's with some pretty decent upgrades. So, I mean, if you are working from home, you know, if you're not always going to the strip, I mean, this is probably a place that you may want to consider. Alright guys, let me know what your thoughts are. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click our subscribe button. Also, if you are a real estate agent that's just getting started or don't know where to get started, we actually have a course called 6-Figure Agent. We literally break it down for you, right? Where to get licensed, what are the test requirements are, how to find the right brokerage, how to actually get business, how to cold call. Like, we literally break everything down step by step. We're constantly uploading videos every single week. The course right now okay, starting, right, is only $95, okay? You need to get started like ASAP. We're gonna show you how to make 6 figures. All right, I'm gonna have that link in the description below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment, like, and please share with all your friends and family. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.